skies belong to me. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide.
Hey guys, my Negro spider senses is tingling.
We're at the exhaust shop. You already know what's going on. Last stock startup. We're not going catless yet, but there's something else I wanted to do just to give it a little bit more jazz. We're definitely gonna get the downpipe though. Definitely going catless, but y'all gonna enjoy this.
That's good, buddy. Just leave the keys inside. Leave it on.
Gotcha. Ah, shit. That looks good.
Good weld.
Yeah.
No hit, nothing.
Cool. Thank you, my man.
Yeah, just set it up. Let me hear it. I want to make sure no leak.
Okay.
Bunch it. Oh yeah. That's what you need. Then you want to.
Exactly.
I'll back it up for you.
Okay. Yep.
Let him back it up for you.
Is that good sound?
Yeah. That was good. That's exactly what I was looking for, man. Okay. Alright. We're gonna listen to this on the way home. Guess what? Oh yeah. Yeah. I like that a lot. Got a new part. We're about to go install it. We're about to make this a quick one because I'm excited. I need to hear some more turbo noises. So let's hear the stock. Not much. Okay. So yeah, that piece of shit. We're about to get rid of that. This too. And eventually that, and eventually that, and we're gonna work on that too. But right now, let's get to it. Let me throw this light back on.
Can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
Alright. Well, it's done. just like that. She's in. She looks good, I ain't gonna lie. Wait, let's start it up. Everything looks good, everything sounds good. Go ahead, go ahead. Alright, I know what y'all want more than anything is some sound clips, so let's go ahead. Oh, okay. Okay. Do I do a launch? Yeah. Damn. Uno momento. Actually, I'll bring you with me. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Thank
I got 3 more too.
Okay. All right, my man. Have a good one.
You too.
The next day.
All right. So let's do this intercooler. You gotta take the front bumper off. 3 torque screws. 3 on the other side. Then you're gonna go up to the bonnet. Pop this. There we go. And we're going to remove this bad boy, remove the torque splits here, and then we can remove the bumper, and then we're right at the intercooler. So I'm gonna start getting to it, and then we'll get back to it when things are removed. We got some background noise going on, but we removed the cover here. Right. Sorry, if it could focus. Right there, you'll see the intercooler in silver gray here. This is what we'll be removing, because the fuck is that? All this fucking space and y'all. Alright. Anyways. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so we got the under tray, we got the bumper off. Here's Tom. Took all the sensors off and everything. I just got to remove this bad boy and move that bad boy over there. Something on the clamps. Shouldn't be too crazy.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
So no more gray crash bar. I spray painted that black. We got the black intercooler in there. Okay. Shit's nice and tidied up. Welcome back. We're at the parking garage with my boy Nari.
What's good, y'all? Follow me on the gram at stock.s4.nari.
Yes, sir. When we were left off, we were doing the RS grill. We did the splitter, but you guys didn't get to see the 15mm spacers. We installed those just to make it a little bit more flush, sit up to the fender line, give it a little bit more poke, make it look more aggressive. Then I also installed the splitter down below, and then we also changed the wing. But as far as that,
Bye, have a great time.